Hi friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree. I'm kind of laughing because I was just watching the beginning of a movie and something really funny happened, so I paused it while I'm doing the video. But I've been watching. I'm home today, and I've been watching some love movies, I guess you could say, about couples and marriages and things like that. They've been all very good and very kind of had some funny parts and stuff like that. So I'm enjoying myself today, but I am here for a flip through of this little journal. It's another one of my Junky Junk journals. I'm really enjoying working on these, and each one is a little different. The last one is in my shop, and it's more floral, and so this one's very different. The size is different. It started out like this size, and I had painted it, and then went from there and decorated the cover. So let me show you. So it's similar to the last one where it's a blank journal, extremely inexpensive in my shop. And so I'm just having fun with these. But you can see this is Tim Holtz ephemera here. And this guy is sitting on the front. I have a little piece up here of Tim Holtz ephemera. And these are two pieces that I put together with this guy sitting on top. I thought it really turned out nice. I really love it actually. And I added this muslin to the spine. Here's the back. So it was painted yellow. These are the ones that I made with, all of these with the book pages glued together. At least 3 of them glued together to make a sturdy cover. And I added, this is masking paper. I added on top of this one. You see, it's not, it was meant to look a little rustic. So here's some of the yellow showing through here. So it was meant to look a little rustic, and I glued pieces together. And the same for the front. You see a little bit of yellow peeking out here around the edges. And then I have a muslin tie closure. And I put a little piece of ephemera, Tim Holtz ephemera, on the back too, right here. So let's open it up. This muslin was torn from, I don't remember now. It's been so long since I tore it. I tore it in strips a long time ago. So I don't know what it was from. Some kind of piece of fabric, muslin fabric. Because I found both at thrift stores. I found, white sheets. I found muslin, just, a little bit of everything. So it unties like this, and I have a nice long closure again, like the last one. And so you can tie it, like I said before, in a nice bow, or you can just wrap it around and kind of tuck it under like that. Whatever you want to do, whatever floats your boat. So I have a little goodie pack here, which I'll show you at the end. So this closure is sewn on right here and here with a zigzag stitch, and I go back and forth to make that nice and sturdy. And then I have the masking paper on the inside too, and this is ready to decorate. Put a pocket in there. You can do a collage in here, just whatever you want. But it's ready for decorating. And I'll just flip through the pages and remind you what they are real quick. So this is from the free book, like in the last one. I told you about the little free book I got that was a home decorating book, and it was, I just love the pages and the colors and everything so well that I used some of the pages in these journals. I was actually already done with the pages, and then I added a couple of these. And so here's one there. It really goes well with the colors. The dyed paper you see in here is from the paint residue, dyed from the paint residue of some paint bottles that I used up, acrylic paints, and you know how you use them up and then there's a little bit of paint sticking to the inside. Well, I put water in there, shook it up, and then dyed my papers with it. So that's what this is. Here's 2 pieces of, this is packing paper that you get when you get a package in the mail and they stuff it full of, the extra space full of packing paper. That's what this is. There's 2 pieces there. This is paper that was wrapped around a ream of paper at work, and a pocket right here. I did put one of my little photo journaling cards here. It's clipped right there. And that is a picture of water again. I put a picture of water in the last one too. There's a boat on this one right over there. So I don't know if this is the ocean or a lake, because it was my parents' pictures that they gave me from their travel, so I really don't know what it is because I wasn't there. But anyway, it's a pretty picture, and it's now a journaling card. This page was I dyed this, I think, with that paint residue also, but it was a page from, I think, from a book. But it's very, very thick, and it could be painted on or drawn on or glued on or really anything, because it's a really nice thick paper. This is another paper that was wrapped around another color of paper that was wrapped around a ream of paper at work. This is a paper I got in the mail. It was his junk mail right here. This is similar, that paper that was, you know, another piece of it. Paper that was wrapped around a ream of paper. This is glassine, no, what do you call it? Paper from an envelope. This is first class mail right there. I'll think of what, it's right on the tip of my tongue, but it's paper from an envelope. I'll think of it in a minute. This is paper from packing paper, and more paper here from a ream of paper, and there's a pocket right here. And this is from an envelope. This was from a big one. I hardly ever get the big white envelopes that are security envelopes. Usually they're just white. But this one had a beautiful interior of security pattern. So there you go. I thought it was really pretty. So I kept that envelope, and here it is now as a journal page. And then the back half of what we just saw. So here's another journaling card clipped onto this page in a pocket right here. So I'll just flip through the back half since you've already seen it. There's another first class mail. Tyvek. I couldn't think of it. See, that's the paper from the ream of paper. Isn't that pretty? It's crazy, right? And that usually just gets thrown in the trash. So these papers are ready for your writings, your decoratings, your collages, paintings, drawings, whatever you want to put in here. And so that is the little journal. That one was fun. So you see it's very different from the first one, which makes it fun. I'm not making them all the same. I'm making them all different. I would like to do another Tim Holtz one, though. I picked out a picture here already. I was almost going to put this picture on the front of this one. It fits really nice, but then this guy looked so nice sitting on this card here, so I went with this guy, but the next one might have that on it. So we shall see, the next tall one. But there it is. So this will be in my shop when you see this video. And here's a little pack, and like I said, I'm recycling some of my cellophane packaging and things. So this is a cellophane package from Crafter Square from Dollar Tree, and I don't want to throw them away. I have too many of them, so I need to use them in some way without keeping them all and without throwing them away. So this is how I'm using them. But they make nice little goodie bag envelopes. So this one happens to have some of the packaging in it still, so that's nice too. Let me get everything out of there. I added, if it has a little hanger hole, like this had a hanger hole, I'm adding stickers over the hanger hole so nothing falls out of those little holes. You know, it's a little hole that something could, I have buttons in here so they could slip out of there. Okay, so what I have in here is a pretty napkin. It's got this pretty, what looks like a lily there. It unfolds and unfolds. So you've got lots of napkin to use. And then 2 papers that you could just glue down somewhere if you wanted to, or cut up and use for journaling spots. So those are in there. And then all kinds of little bits here that you could use in collage or for writing on, decorating. Here's one here. This one has a coffee cup. It has a little O1 there, so it could be made into a postage stamp. This is from my bird ephemera book. There's a bird on there. This is a little coupon from a coupon book. All little vintagey looking pieces. This is a sticker here if you get this, I believe this is a sticker. You can peel that back off of there and glue, use that. This is a little piece from a little book of these little rectangles that I have. Has a little bit of writing down here. Here's another little like a collaged piece. Has butterflies on it. This is the same color as the masking paper on the front here. Or on the inside too. It's on the inside. And then there's this another little piece here, a little papery piece. Looks like a little ticket or something. And then I put a few little pieces of fabric in here. Like I thought maybe these could be used as in making a cluster or little tabs or something. So there's a piece. I picked out some pieces I thought went with the colors here. So we've got this one, actually two of those. And you'll see some of the edges are pinked here with my pinking shears. There's another one, two of those, and then there's this one here, a little different color, but it goes with it. And then two buttons that match with the colors here. So that could be put in the middle of a cluster. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this one, and stay tuned for the next ones. I have several more here to finish off. So I am working on these. Let's see, so that's two, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more that I'm ready to finish off, and then I have one more that I found in my closet that I need to work on. I haven't made pages for that one or anything on that one yet, but I do want to finish that one off too. So, making progress on my book cover pile in my book cover stash in my closet, and this one will be in my shop when you see this video. The prices on these are extremely low, so if you would like one, just go over there and check it out, and the link will be below. So I thank you for watching today, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. See you in the next one.